Hello everyone, this is Shivam Deshpande, and we are going to see the first task of Data Science and Business Analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. Uh, okay, so let me show you the task. Yeah, so the task is prediction using supervised machine learning. Yeah, so this is a problem statement. We have to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. Yeah, so this is the simple linear regression task, and it involves the two variables. The first variable being the number of study hours, and the second variable is the score that is the student is getting after studying. And the data is found at this. So let me show you that as well. Okay, so this is the data set that we are going to use. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we are having another problem statement here, that is what will be the predicted score of a student if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day. So this we are going to predict in our code. Okay, so let me show you this screen of the Jupyter notebook, my code. Yeah, so this is the code that I've created. So we are going to use the simple linear regression over here. So let me just give you a small overview of what the linear regression is. So the linear regression is a statistical model that attempts to show the relationship between the two variables if it really exists, and it does so with the linear equation. Okay, so regression analysis basically. Regression analysis is a form of predictive modeling technique, okay, which investigates the relationship between a dependent variable and an independent variable. So here we are having the two variables. One will be the dependent and one will be the independent variable. Our independent variable here is going to be the study hours, okay, and our dependent variable is going to be the score that he is obtaining. uh, okay, so the regression analysis basically involves graphing a line over a set of points that most closely fits the overall shape of the data. Yeah, so you can see here, this is the best fit line. We call it as a best fit line. So this is the regression line, we also call it. Okay, regression shows the changes in a dependent variable based on the changes in independent variable. Okay, so this is the predictive algorithm. Okay, so this was just a small overview about what the linear regression is, and we are going to use the simple linear regression for prediction. Okay, so in my code, first of all, I have imported some necessary libraries. So they are pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn. Okay, then I'm reading the data. I've already shown you the data set which we are going to use here. So the data is read over here using pandas. uh, you can see the first 10 entries in the data set. So this just shows that the data has been imported successfully. Okay, then this is the shape of the data. So it's 25 comma 2. So there are 25 entries of the data, and there are two columns. Okay, first one is the hours and the second one is the scores that the student is getting. Okay, and I've also used the data.describe function over here. So it just gives the statistical information about the data. All right, so it gives mean, then 25th percent, 50% max and mean. Okay, standard deviation also is it's giving. So that's the statistical information about the data. Then we are going to then we are checking here whether our data is having any null values. Okay, any missing values. So for that we have written this is null parameter. So it's telling us that there are no null values in our data set. Then we are plotting our data. Okay, so the data is plotted using the PLT. Okay, uh, X label being the study hours and Y label being the scores in the percentages. Okay, and so this, you can see the plot over here. Okay, we are also uh, doing the regression plot. So the regression plot is plotted with the help of SNS, that is Seaborn. Okay, And from above plot you can infer, we can infer that there's a positive relationship between number of hours the student is studying and the percentages of the scores that he's obtaining. Okay. Then we are performing the train and test split. So here we have created two variables from the data set, x and y. All right. And then we are actually doing the train and test split from the scikit-learn model. Okay, using this function, train test split. Okay, we are calling train test split over here. So the four parameters, x train, x test, and y train, y test. Okay, so the train test split has been done successfully here. Then we are training the our regression model on the data set. Okay, so we are calling this dot fit function. This is the main function. This is the main code that we are using for training the data set. Okay, so this line, this also shows that our model is successfully trained. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to predict the values, okay, based on the test data. Yeah, so x test, we are just showing the x test values first of all, and then based on the test values we are predicting. Okay, we are predicting the scores. So this is the code for that. Then this is the predicted score. You can see over here the number of hours and the predicted score. Okay, so these are the predicted scores of our model, that our model is giving using the x test data. Okay, then I've done the comparison of actual data versus actual values versus predicted values. Okay, using so I've used here data frame. Okay, and I'm passing actual and predicted values. Okay, in that y test and y prediction. So you can compare over here the actual and predicted values. Okay, now let's compare the same using plot. Okay, so I've plotted over here. So here also you can see this is the regression line, and this is you can see the difference. Okay, so here also the comparison is made. Okay, now our task is to predict the score when the student studies for 9.25 hours per day. Okay, so we are creating our own variable and we are passing just one value, that is 9.25, and we are predicting the score using this regressor dot predict. Fine. So the number of hours when student studies 9.25 hours per day, then the percentage of score is obtaining is 93.69 percentage. Okay, you can see over here. Now this is the performance matrix which I've used for evaluation. So that's the R square test for the model. Okay, R square is one of the performance metrics uh, which is usually done for machine learning model. It is a statistical measure of how close the data is to the fitted regression line. Okay, so it is also known as coefficient of determination. Now higher the value of this test, the model is performing better. Okay, so I've used the function, I've imported r square score from again sklearn metrics. Okay, and for to this r square score I am passing y test and y prediction. Okay, so as to make so as to calculate the r square value. So this is the r square value that we have calculated, and this is very close to the 1, right? So if it is very close to 1, then our model is performing exceptionally well. Okay, so this is the overall code that I've made. Thank you so much.